Hey, if you want to share your live location with someone else by using the POCO M6 Pro, all you have to do is just to be connected to the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and also you have to turn on the location. Next, you will have to click on the Google Maps and then click on the right upper corner on your profile picture and tap on the location sharing. From here, click on the new share, and as you can see from here, you can actually find the list of suggestions of the contacts that you can actually quickly share your location for 1 hour, but you can also increase for like even 8 or 9, but also you can share your location until you turn it off manually. And now if you pick any contact, like for example this one, I have to click share, then tap share. Now I just have to wait and I will be able to send a link with my real-time location, so this person will be able to open it and follow my location on the map. And if I want to turn off location, I can quickly do this by tapping on this contact and click stop. So now I'm not sharing my live location with this contact. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.